Hi everyone, Lisa here with LC Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little chapstick holder using our Cool Treats stamp set and framelits. Right now it's really hot here in California and everybody's running around with chapped lips, so it's always good to have some chapstick around. So I'm going to show you how to make this. Let's get started. I'm going to use my Simply scoring tool, and you're going to start out with a 2 3/4 by 2 5/8 little square, and on the 2 3/4 side, which is this side, we're going to score it at 5/8, so each tick is an eighth. 1 2 3 4 5, so 5/8. We're going to score it 1 1/4, 1 7/8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then at 2 1/2, and then we're going to turn it, and on the 5/8 side we're going to score it at 5/8, so 1 2 3 4 5 5/8, and pretty much that's it on the scoring. So next what we'll do is you're going to go ahead and cut this little tab out, and then these ones I always kind of like to angle them when I cut them, just in case my scoring wasn't good. Let's cut all of those. This is a really simple box to put together. So I'm going to, since I wrote on it, I'm going to put that on the inside. So fold on all my score lines. Normally it wouldn't be marked like that, and you would do it the other way. So I'm going to use Fast Fuse. Fast Fuse is the best to hold on a 3D project. Go ahead and form your box. And then on your tabs, you can just go ahead and put some, usually these two, and actually you could just use a glue dot, which will work good. Put a glue dot, fold it down, another glue dot, and hold it down, and then there's your box. Pretty simple construction there. It'll hold a tube of chapstick. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I already cut these out sake of the video, as I used my layering square framelits, cut it out in the scallop and the melon mambo, and then in the new powder pink I cut the square. So I already did that. I'm going to go ahead and stamp this ice cream cone in the melon mambo. Let's stamp that. And then we're going to stamp the ice cream cone in crumb cake on crumb cake cardstock. So I'm going to just, the little squares for the ice cream cone. And now I'm going to get my big shot in here, and hopefully my table doesn't shake and the camera gets all messed up for you. Oh, I think I just hit it. But what we'll do is we'll put this framelit on here for the ice cream, and this one the ice cream cone. Just try and line the bottom up so you know where the squares are that you stamp. Put this on. Just cut it out. Sorry again if the table's shaking. And then our little pieces are cut out. So here's our ice cream. Here's our cone. And there's your little squares on it. So for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you what I did with the cone. I already have one And this is our fine tip glue pen. But if you put it on, it'll make things shiny. So as you can see, I did most of it. I just didn't do this little bit so that I could show you how to do it. But that's just if you want to have a nice shiny look. And pretty much just like a pin, once you get it started. And then just color it in. And then it does take a little while to dry, so that's why I had already started it. And then that's all you do, you just color it in, and as you can see on my chocolate one, how nice and shiny it is. So you could either use the fine tip glue pen and put it on like that, or you could just do it regular like this. So I'll go ahead and use adhesive. I'll do this one because I think I put too much on that one and it's going to take a while to dry. Just glue your ice cream onto your cone. Here's our little box for our chapstick. So all you have to do is put some adhesive on the back here. Line this one up right there. And then we have these new mini dimensionals that I just love. Gives you that 3D effect, but they're for like little tiny projects like this. Let's use a couple of those. When we first came out with these mini dimensionals, I went crazy on them. I stocked up on them because I was always cutting my other ones to make them fit. So you just stick your ice cream cone on there. And then I have some Melon Mambo thick baker's twine, or baker's twine. Just make a bow. Let's make a small bow. And then your bow, and then we have the glue dots again. Use a glue dot. And put it right there. And there's your little chapstick pouch. I probably could have made this bow a little bit smaller. These are kind of cool little things you could give to a co-worker or someone. Just a little last minute gift. But you see this one, it's still not dry, but it just gives it a nice effect if you add that little shiny to it. And so that's it. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little project. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.